All right, guys, Copper Cutlass here, and today we went racing. We took the Pontiac, drove to the track. I brought no tools with me, just my cooler, a radio. I brought my helmet just in case, and that was it. I called my buddies and I'm like, between the two of you, you guys got to have enough tools if something happens. I shouldn't need to bring anything but a cooler. And the first one of the day was a 1544. Second run was a 1522. And then the car was glued once it got some heat soak between 1527 and 1528. Which is actually really impressive for the car. If I ran it with open headers and probably tweaked the carburetor a little bit better, it'd be a 14-second car. And so whoever said 1491, I think, or something, 95, you're really close. It's not, if I uncork the exhaust, I know it's good for 2/10. But it was nice to get out of the slump. We went 3 rounds. I lost to my buddy, 1 round shy of the semifinals, and he ended up winning the whole thing. I took a bunch of videos today as it was kind of like a leisure day. It was actually really nice to just drive the car to the track and run it. It wasn't the fastest. I was catching horrible lights, but being a slower car sometimes could be advantageous because you get to see who's coming up on you. And I was pedaling it, hitting the brakes, and we went three good rounds on horrible lights. So we were using the car's slowly passing of time to our advantage. So it was a good day. It was fun. Probably the funnest day at the track all year. Was like I didn't mess with anything. I didn't change anything. Just drove it there. Put the radials at 18 pounds. I put 40 pounds of air in the front tires, and we went for it. I'm just going to put all the videos that I recorded of the cars running today, and that's kind of it. So enjoy it. And from here, we got like almost a month and a half of downtime. Hopefully we can get the olds all patched up, whether it be the J-headed 350 or the engine that's in the car is simply just an oil pump. And then I have a tough choice to make on which engine I'm going to put in, because I actually really like the J-headed 350 because it doesn't 60 foot as strong as the number 6 350, and it probably was because of that wrist pin. I had this conversation with my buddy where like that wrist pin was probably already working its way out the very first time we took it out, because we had issues with it wanting to idle. And the following weekend, we tried taking it out to the track. I thought I had ignition problems where I put the locked out distributor. It's that damn number 5 cylinder kept soaking the plug with oil. And, I got to take the heads apart, just check the back sides of the valves, make sure that they're not soaked with oil. I think the oil was coming from the lack of oil control from the rings. Just the oil was just going on top of the piston and going on the spark plug, and it's that and the other. Neither here nor there. We got time to figure it out. But we're going to take our time. Now that we know we can race the Pontiac and actually go around. So it was really nice. Currently, I was standing at 15th in points, but I think after today, we may be in the top 10, which is good. That's kind of where we want to be. And hopefully we can go from there. Hopefully once we get things figured out, we can continuously go more rounds, and today was a pretty damn good day. So I'm happy about that. My buddy Tim broke his clutch, but he did run an 1195 last night at Test and Tune. Finally got into the 11s. I ran an 1195 at 116. That car is cooking, and my buddy Mike with the G-Body Cutlass won the whole deal in Sportsman. I lost to him in the 1 round before the semifinals. So it was a good day of racing, and we're just gonna upload videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Share, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram as Copper Cutlass. We'll let you guys go.